For my summer project, we were going to work on coding. Using AI, my dad taught me how to make this shape. So we went up and looked on Google for some examples. We found an image and we uploaded it on AI. We told AI to draw this up in Python. AI gave us some code. We had to test it out and make changes. Here is our final project.
So I helped him take the code and copy and paste it into PyCharm, which actually executed the program.
So now this is drawing it, but is spinning in a circle.
What do you like about it?
I like it because of how it draws it and of how it spins.
Does it look three-dimensional to you?
Yeah, it does.
It looks like it goes on forever, like infinity.
It actually does look like it's 3D. See, like the way when it gets closer and closer to that.
Mm-hmm.
So, like right there, it looks like it's going in, like it's 3D.
So the program's done drawing, but because we have it to auto-rotate, it will stay like this forever. So if we look at the code here, we had the build duration, it's set to 20 seconds, which we asked Chatgpt to do. And so just so you can see the difference, if we make a subtle change here to 5, look at the difference. So notice the difference how fast it's drawing now.